Hey, what's up YouTube? Raleigh back with an interesting video. We have seen almost everywhere these type of astrophotography pictures and other kind of pictures where you see celestial bodies and other things. If you're wondering how to take pictures like that, then you have to follow this video. You've come in the right place. So guys, basically I want to mention three different things. One is something called as shutter speed, another one is something called as night mode. Now for every smartphone there will be a special mode called night mode. Basically all the smartphone companies have started adding that feature, and I'm outside here, so let me show you that first. In the beginning, the basic necessary was to have a big camera sensor, not the camera sensor that this phone has, but something big of a DSLR. Now what happened that time was they were keeping the shutter speed for too long, like 30 seconds or 1 minute, so they were able to capture the pictures like this one, as you can see on the screen. But now it's no more like that. The hardware part not only matters but also the software, because Google has come up with something new, very interesting too. So what here is that special software is called astrophotography or night mode in some smartphones. In Huawei you get super night mode, where you can take bursting star pictures like this one. Now the primary aim of this video was to teach you how to take pictures like that, the astrophotography mode for each and every smartphone out there. Now this is a pretty basic smartphone. Now I'll show you how to install an astrophotography mode or how to take pictures like that in this basic smartphone. So guys, there is an app called Gcam which you have to download on your smartphone. So just type Gcam 7.0. So that is the basic version you need to install. So 7 for Redmi Note 8 Pro or 7 Pro or whichever phone you have, type the name of the phone, and then you'll get download links like this from different websites like Giz China or DigiStatement, etc. So from here you'll have to download this app called Gcam. Now there is another website called BBomb where they have put a list of smartphones and the downloading is died. Now there is another website called BBomb where they've given all the links for all the smartphones, most of the popular smartphones. So let me show you that. So you can just download 7.0 Gcam from this website. I'll be linking this down below, so please do check it out. Now after installing this Gcam, you'll get an interface like this one. Now in this night mode, you can't force the astrophotography mode to come on itself. So you have to wait for it to suggest that the astrophotography mode is on. For example, after waiting for a while, here will be an option called astrophotography on. Only at that time you need to mount your smartphone to a tripod and then start taking a picture. If not, only the night mode will be activated, the astrophotography mode will not be activated. So it will take a picture from almost 1 minute to 30 seconds, or even it may go to 4 minutes. It all depends on the amount of light you have outside. So guys, in case your smartphone doesn't support this Gcam 7.0 or the 7.3, 7.2, any other version, then you can go with this method. Camera. So I have already installed it here. Let me open it. Now after opening, you'll get an interface like this. And in this interface, what you have to change is, you have to keep the ISO to as low as possible. In my smartphone, ISO can be set as low as 50, so I'll be setting it to 50. And here you can see S. S is for shutter speed, and you can adjust it manually. That you can't do in your camera app. So here you can just adjust the shutter speed. I'll keep it to maximum, that is 4 minutes, or you can also keep it to 1 minute, or depending on the picture you're taking or the amount of light it has. So just change the shutter speed there and click a picture. You have to mount this phone on a tripod and take this picture. So results will be amazing. So this was the second method. Now here are some of the sample pictures that I have taken using the astrophotography mode. that was pretty much everything about it. I hope you guys liked it. If yes, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. With that being said, my name is Rahul and I am signing out. Take care guys.